Good morning, children. As we all have begun this chapter earlier, but today I am just revising. Just see weather. What is weather? First name of the chapter: weather, climate, and adaptation of animals to climate. So, first you should understand what is difference between weather and climate. Weather is actually the day-to-day change in the atmospheric condition of a particular area due to rain, sun heat और wind. जैसे कि गर्मी के मौसम में सीज़न क्लाइमेट इज़ द सीज़न, इट लास्ट फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. लेकिन गर्मी के मौसम में भी कभी बारिश हो जाती है, कभी तेज़ हवा चलती है, कभी आंधी तूफान आ जाता है, पर हर रोज़ तो ये होता नहीं, ये कभी कभी चेंजेस आते हैं. सो दोज ऑल चेंजेस that occur either for a day or two during a climate, it is called weather. It lasts for very short period of time. So weather is the atmospheric condition of day to day or every day, whereas climate is the condition of the atmosphere for a longer period of time, like summer, winter, autumn, spring. All these are seasons and these are termed as climate also. Climate lasts for longer time and weather lasts for short time. Just see weather report you might be seeing every day on TV, radio or on newspaper. One of weather report is here. Maximum temperature is 36.5 degrees Celsius plus 3. Plus 3 means it is 3 degree more than the normal maximum temperature. Now here minimum temperature is 28.6 degree plus 2. Plus 2 means it is 2 degree more than normal minimum temperature. Now next is given moonrise on Sunday, that is 4:45 p.m. and moon set on Monday is 3:03 a.m. Sunset on Sunday at 7:11 p.m. and sunrise on Monday is 5:44 and 5:44 a.m. Now next is weather condition. Partly cloudy sky. The sky will remain partly cloudy. Thundery development likely in some areas. Means कुछ एरिया में थंडरी डेवलपमेंट, थोड़ा बारिश और थंडर ओरिजिनेटेड एटमॉस्फेयर हो सकता है. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Sunday likely to be 37 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. Means it is the temperature given by the meteorologist in advance of the next coming day. That they are saying कि quite possible कि मंडे का मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो और मिनिमम 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो. ह्यूमिडिटी ऑन सैटरडे was 66% and minimum was 53%. So on Saturday the maximum humidity was 66% and minimum humidity was 53%. So in this way meteorologists used to give us the weather condition of every day. Now weather is affected by temperature that I told you. The maximum temperature during the past, it is a description of this weather report. So weather of a particular area depends on temperature, humidity, wind and heat of sun. Now weather forecast. The weather forecast of weather for the day Sunday is in the case that is given here tells us the partly cloudy sky, which means it may rain. Thunder development is likely to some areas. The maximum and minimum temperature predicted for the day are 37 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. So we can say the atmospheric conditions on a particular day at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, speed and direction of wind. All these factors affect the weather condition of a particular place is called the weather at that place on that day. So the temperature, humidity and other factors are called the elements of weather. Now next is the sun causes change in the weather. All changes in the weather are caused by sun. The sun is huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. It is the source of all heat and light on the earth. So about sun, you all know that the main source of heat and light on earth is sun. If the temperature is high, very high, अगर टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा है तो वो उस जगह के पूरे वेदर कंडीशन को इफ़ेक्ट करेगा. बिकॉज टेम्परेचर हाई है तो अर्थ भी हीट अप हो जाएगी. फिर वहाँ से अर्थ के क्लोज में जो एटमॉस्फेयर, लेयर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर है, इट विल बिकम हॉट एंड राइज अपवर्ड, देन क्रिएट अ वैक्यूम, then the cool air will come to occupy that space. In this way, the cause of wind currents during daytime is because of sun's heat, because the temperature of the sun. If the temperature on a particular day is low, we say that the weather is cold, and if the temperature on particular day is high, then we say it is hot weather. The sun heat causes the water from the ocean and land to evaporate. Sun is also responsible for the evaporation of surface water on the earth. And if more water gets evaporated, then more moisture in atmosphere will be noted. And if less water due to less heat gets evaporated, then humidity of that place will also be less. Now third, we know that the sun heats up the earth's surface. The hot surface of the earth, that I have already told you, that hot land becomes hot and the hot air rises upward and the other air, cool air, comes to occupy that space. So sun is the main cause for the movement of wind of the place. Now elements of the weather. The different elements of weather include the maximum and minimum temperatures, humidity, rain and snow and wind. Now first we come to maximum and minimum temperature. The highest temperature recorded during the day of that particular area is called maximum temperature, whereas the lowest temperature recorded on the day is termed as minimum temperature of that place. Now next we come to humidity. Humidity is the measure of moisture. Means if more evaporation has taken place, then naturally moisture in atmosphere will be more, and if evaporation is less or decreased, then humidity in the air will also be decreased or less. Now in this figure you can see this is a thermometer used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of the day, and it is named as maximum minimum thermometer. This thermometer is used by meteorologists to detect maximum and minimum temperature. In the same way, to measure moisture, this hygrometer is used to measure moisture. It is the instrument for measuring moisture or presence of water vapor in the atmosphere. So relative humidity is measured with the help of an instrument called hygrometer. Now third is rain and snow. As you all know, when the moisture is very high, the water vapor rises upward, then they come close to each other, condense and form clouds. And these clouds, when become much heavier, then they start falling on the ground in form of rain droplets. So the quantity of rainfall on the particular area on the surface of the earth, it is also needed to be measured, and it is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. You can see this in figure. It is rain gauge. It is placed on particular area और ग्राउंड लेवल से कितनी ऊंचाई तक रेनफॉल हुई है, दैट इज मेजर्ड बाय दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट. Now fourth is wind. The moving air is called wind. During winter, when the winds blow from the mountains of northern India towards the northern plains, then we feel very cold. हम लोग कहते हैं ना शीतलहर पड़ रही है. क्यों ऐसा शीतलहर होता है? क्योंकि नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज़ फुल ऑफ माउंटेन्स एंड इट इज़ कवर्ड विथ स्नो एंड आइस. सो जब वहाँ से टच होके एयर जो है नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स की तरफ मूव करती है तो हमें शिवरिंग फील होती है और बहुत ठंडी हवा चलती है ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स, एंड वी कॉल इट एज शीतलहर. But in summer, the wind used to blow from western India towards the central and eastern India. Then it is hot because it is coming from hotter place. That air is moving from the hot area, desert area towards the plains. So the moving wind is also hot, and the area through which this hot air is moving becomes hot or warm. So in this way all these factors affect the weather of a place. Now we come to climate. The average weather pattern means normally जो वेदर का पैटर्न है एवरेज, जो कि लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम